What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Roger, aka Chancho, and today I'm gonna light up the miscellaneous fireworks that I had. I made a video the 4th of July saying the fireworks. I show some of the fireworks that I had. I blow all those up, but I had the miscellaneous ones. Those I did not get to blow up because it already was getting late here in the Chicagoland area, and also I was getting eaten up alive by the mosquitoes. So I say, you know what, I'm just gonna cut it, to the last firework. But if you guys haven't watched that video, go ahead and check it out. And also, I want to thank all the new subscribers that I have. I really appreciate you guys. I really do. And like I said in my video that I made, like, you know what, I get now when the YouTubers, when they say they love their fans, I really truly get it now. But yeah, I don't know if you guys saw that or if it's the first time you guys are watching my video. I post a whole bunch of stuff. I post about cars. I'm going to start doing fireworks because the response was amazing. So thank you guys, like I said, to all the new subscribers. But I'm going to be posting about cars, life. Maybe I'll do a prank here and there to my wife because she doesn't take pranks very serious. She takes them very seriously. I apologize. She will probably beat me up, but maybe I'll do one. Maybe not. But like I said, she's taking them very serious. And I want to show you guys something that it's pretty cool, pretty awesome. We've been having her for like 4 years, babe? 5 years. Let me show you guys real quick.
Vanelope.
Like she's standing up. It's
a
a
baby girl.
Her name is Vanelope. She's a mini lap, but she ain't mini. She's a big rabbit.
Hey.
She's a big girl. Yeah. You see her little skirt over here and everything. She's so adorable. Yeah. But yeah, her name is Vanelope. Yeah, hopefully she likes the fireworks. But yeah, guys, like I was mentioning, these are the miscellaneous fireworks. This is my lighter to light them up. This one, I already rip open the plastic and stuff because it was covering it. This was called Rockin' the USA Fountain. This is like a volcano vortex cone. These are they're called lady fingers. I thought they were jumping jacks, but they're not. They're some kind of weird firework that I never seen before. I already blew some up a few days ago. What else I got? I think these more fountains, more lady fingers. Like I said, I got some bottle rockets. I got this 36 shot. Yeah, I don't think I ever bought this one before, but and then I got the Saturn. These are like the bottle rockets that shoot up in the air. Then like I said, there's miscellaneous. There's not like the big boys. I already blew those up. So I got more of these. Then I got some Roman candles. So I'm gonna blow the Saturn ones because I like those. And if my neighbor comes out, she might come out. Yeah. She lives a few houses down over there. I think I'm gonna light it up right here on my sidewalk, making sure there's nobody coming. I can't see if it's lighting up. Come on, it's a brand new lighter. There we go. Close. Yep. How you doing? That's my my mailman. You can see all the smoke going to the neighbor's house. That's
ready to go in?
Was she afraid of the fireworks, man? She tripping? Nah.
Come on, Mama.
Yeah. I'm gonna blow these up, guys. Hopefully the cops don't come. I don't know if they are or not. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna light up this what's it called?
Ooh, what is
Sparkling treat. Where, babe? Yep. It's a grasshopper, I
Oh,
think.
it's a grasshopper?
I think so. Here, let me grab it.
No, grab it. No, touch it. No, touch it. Ah! Don't stop.
The subscribers are listening to you.
Ay, babe, stop it. Leave it alone. It's fine.
It took off. My wife's scared, guys. All right, this one is like I said, it's the sparkling tree. Welcome back, guys. There it goes. Was that Ruthie? I am. I just want to see what some of these do. Yeah. Yeah, light it.
It's probably a thief back.
But no, it works. But this one's at like a night one. Yeah, you guys see. Close up. It's just shooting sparks. It's almost like what's it called? Like the sparklers. That's all it is, basically. Nothing too extravagant. Did all of them blow? Oh shit, yeah. Hear the dogs barking. All right, so I ran out of these. No more Saturns. So basically, there were 100 shots. Got 4 of them. There were 25 shots each.
Scared somebody's dog, babe.
I know, it's all right. I'm gonna light these ones. These are the, I don't even know what these are called. Let me see real quick. Crackling balls, jumbos. That's what it does, basically. That's it. And it just breaks apart 2 little plastic balls. Yeah. Yeah. This one's called the Moon Dance Fountain. what it does. Just little sparks. And a lot of smoke. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna light these up at night, so I'm just gonna wait. So. All the smoke is going to the racist neighbor that lives over there, so she might come out. All right. You guys back when it's a little more darker outside, because some of them are like little fountains, so they're gonna shoot like more sparks. Since it's daylight right here, it's like around 7, 8 o'clock. And so yeah, I'll cut you guys back when it's a little more darker. I'll blow some other ones. Welcome back, guys. So nighttime has started to fall here in the northwest suburbs where I live. So I was showing you guys earlier. I actually guys, I figured out how to put the light for my camera. So I figured that out. So that's why you guys can see me being lit up. And I also put like mosquito repellent. I don't know if you can see my brown shiny skin. I put some mosquito repellent because when I made my on the 4th of July, I literally got eaten up alive by all the mosquitoes. I got maybe, I don't want to exaggerate, but I maybe got like 15 bites, and like in my arms, my calves, by my ankle and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm probably gonna blow a few of the lady fingers right here. Since I already got a pack open. I got this whistling tri-rotating wheel. I already opened one up. Show you guys that as well. Got the Roman candles, like I was saying. Got the moon dance. I already light that one up, as you saw earlier in the video. So I'm gonna save this one, the Happy Planet that I showed earlier, because it's just 36 shots. So I want to make that the finale for this video. And the second to last, I want to shoot this one up. It's this little fountain and stuff. But yeah, and also I got like bottle rockets. As a kid growing up in Chicago, as a kid I was maybe like 5. I don't want to say 5 because that's too young probably. But as a kid, maybe like around 8, 9, 10, around there. That's when I really started to light up fireworks. My dad, well, my parents, my dad and my mom used to take us to Indiana because we used to cross the border into Indiana to buy some fireworks. We used to go to our crazy Kaplan. We used to go some little local shops, you know, fireworks stores that they had there. And yeah, I've been lighting up, you know, fireworks since I was like maybe like, I would say 10 years old. Since I was 10, I love blowing up fireworks. There was a couple of years that I didn't blow because, you know, I didn't know where to go. And also my funds were not that great. So I didn't have the money to buy them. But now that I got my house, got my cars, got my wife, got my son, for my my family. I love blowing them up, and I like to put a show, for my neighbors, that they don't mind fireworks. Except that, like I mentioned earlier on my previous video, I do have a lady that's gives me a hard time, with the fireworks, because I love blowing up fireworks. But mosquito flying by, I think. But anyways, I don't want to talk about that. Like I mentioned it on my the video I made before this one, the fireworks one, the blowing up illegal fireworks. I explained through all that. If, like I said earlier in the video, if you're the first time watching me, if you want to go check that video out, or if you want to check all my videos out, like I said earlier, I make car stuff. I got an '89 Chevy Caprice, old school. I got my wife's Jeep Wrangler right here. Made a video about that. Her name is Mrs. Gray. And she put these stickers right here. Yes, I am a mechanic. That's what I do for a living. I fix cars. So I'll show you guys a little walkthrough, And it's, no, the reflection of the license plate. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, but this is her Jeep Wrangler. My old school is over here. My '89 Chevy Caprice is cover under the cover. That's my in-laws car. And then that's my brother-in-law's car right there. My Honda Civic is over there, guys. Show you guys real quick. Walk over here. Yeah, this is my neighbor Ruthie. She is one of the best neighbors that I am so happy that I have. And these are some other neighbors' houses too. But yeah, the one that races, it's over there. Has like a horseshoe driveway. But yes, guys. Anyways, this is my 9th gen Honda Civic. Like I said, I do car stuff. But yeah, if you like cars, or if you like, fireworks, whatever your taste is. Got my Chicago Bears right there. I'm a diehard Bears fan. But yeah, guys. So I'm gonna light up these miscellaneous fireworks. See what they look like, and if you like them, you can buy them. For kids. Just to have around. I believe, like I said on my previous video, these fireworks, these miscellaneous fireworks, my wife got them from her coworker, because I think she was cleaning out her basement, or she was moving or something like that. But I think she was cleaning out. Anyways, enough of me talking. Let's light up these guys. So we're gonna light up this whistling tri-rotating wheel. See what this does. Okay, I think it's done. I'm not gonna put my face over it. I'm just gonna stomp on it. Make sure it's dead. Put it to the side. You know what? The messy part about the fireworks, guys, is the mess that it leaves behind. But I say it's all worth it. It's worth it. So I'm gonna light up one of these moon dance fountain. Let me Hey, look at that. so cool, guys. Awesome. Make sure. Kick it to the side. Let me go get the other one. Let me see how many I have. If I have a lot, a few, well, not a lot, one more. I think this is the only one I have left. Yeah, let me light it up. Let me light this one up. Always, guys, when you guys over a firework, never stand, put your face over it. Either kick it to the side, away from the spectators, or just make sure so it doesn't go off. And burn your face, or could do more severe damage. Like that one's still smoking and I already stepped on it. So let me step on it more. Make sure it's completely dead. Some weird looking bug flying around me. I put the mosquito repellent so they haven't attacked me. Not yet, of course. Let's see what else we got. Got the whistling, got the bottle rockets. Let me light up this volcanic vortex. All right, guys. Put it in the middle. Let's see what this one does. This is the volcanic vortex. It's a fountain. They're fountains. That one was cool. Let me light up this sparkling tree. I did this one earlier, but really you guys couldn't really see because it was still daylight. It's already like 9 o'clock. See this one? There it goes, guys. Then it expands. Yeah, it's just like sparklers. There you go. Yeah, pretty cool. and it just dies out. And that's it. All right, guys, I'm gonna see if I can light 2 up at the same time. Looking for the fuse. Move these to the side. Right. This one, guys, is one of the, it's called Blue Roman Candle. Shoots 10 shots. Let's give it a try. As kids, we used to have Roman candles fights. Yep. We used to, me and my friends used to have a Roman candle fight as kids. Very dangerous, so don't try that because who knows what could happen. But yeah, guys, that was one of the Roman candles. What I do with the lighter, I just tossed it on the ground. All right, let me show you what one of these lady packages do, basically. So you guys could see what they do. Yep, that's all they do. All right. So I shot this the crackling balls or ball earlier. Oh, found one. I'm gonna light it up right now so you guys can see it at night. That's it. And let me light up this. Of course, you guys know the bottle rockets. Those I'm gonna shoot out throughout the summer. The Roman candles as well. I'm gonna shoot those through the summer. So I still got some left. But I just wanted to show you guys some of the fireworks that I have, the miscellaneous. I still got a sparkling tree, but let me shoot these little fountains. Let me shoot this. I'll shoot this Rockin' the USA fountain. Pretty cool. Like I said, you probably could get it, you know, for your kids, or I think these are considered novelty. Pretty cool, right, guys? All right, let's tip it over, make sure there's no more. There we go. All right, guys, this is the last one for tonight for my miscellaneous, called it 36 shot large happy planets. We'll see what it does. Not sure. It might shoot them up in the air, but I'm not 100% sure. So we're gonna put this one over here a little closer, more to the street. All right. Take this out of here. All right, you guys. This one we're gonna stand back because I don't know what it does. All right. That was the 36 shot Happy Planet. Little small. It was nice. It's a little nice one. But yeah, guys, if you guys are if you like the little fireworks from my miscellaneous leftover, I thought that was the cops. Guess. Hey, I think these are legal, but I'm not sure. But because I know the big ones that I blew early on the 4th of July, I know those for a fact are illegal. But since these are fountains, I think sparklers, fountains, smoke, and all that, it's like the only fireworks that it's legal here in Illinois. Excuse me, guys. But anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. Leave a comment. You know, I'm gonna start. I'm thinking about doing like fireworks review. You know, buying some fireworks and doing like a review and showing you guys if you guys like it. You know, if you guys are interested in buying them. You know, so you guys have an idea of what they look like. I want to start doing that. But like I said a few seconds ago, if you guys are new, subscribe. If you guys like the video, comment, leave a comment. I respond to every comment that I get. But yeah, guys, thank you guys very much. And like I said earlier in the video, to all the new subscribers, thank you. And if you're subscribing or if you're watching my video for the first time, subscribe. I got a lot more content like I showed you guys earlier. I do car stuff. And you know, I got most of my videos. Also, I went to a car show in Joliet Prison. The prison is famous for being in a couple of movies and also a TV show. Maybe a couple of movies, but I know the movie that is really famous is for the Blues Brothers, when John Belushi. And also, it's also famous too because it was on a TV show called Prison Break that came out in 2005. But yeah, guys, you know, and then took my son, me and my wife took our son to New York. We did a memorial and the 9/11 museum. We also went to that's one video. And then we also went to the excuse me, I can't talk. The Empire State Building. We went to the Statue of Liberty. And that's another video if you guys want to go, you know, if you guys never been to New York or curious of going, or it's an amazing place. We also hit Central Park as well. But I got a bunch of videos, guys. If you guys want to check them out, like I said, if you guys are new or you guys watching me, I'm growing my channel little by little. And subscribe. That's all I ask. You know, subscribe. Turn that bell to every time I upload a video, you get notified. It helps me out, and it helps, like I said, it helps the channel grow. And if you're if you're in the Chicagoland area, you see me, you know, say hi. Want to take a picture, you know? Well, I'm gladly to take a picture, you know. But thanks again, guys, from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you guys. It means the world to me, you know, and seeing a bunch of people subscribe to my channel, it's like a feeling I can't describe. It's just like, it's a good feeling because you know that the stuff that you're doing, that you're making, it's making people smile or giving them, like, you know what, an idea. And if you're thinking about doing YouTube, just grab your camera, grab your phone, turn on the camera, and start recording and be yourself. That's what I am. I'm being myself. I started doing YouTube early in March. You know, went to the World Wheels car show. That's when I started. Somebody motivate me to start, you know, doing YouTube. And if I can motivate you to start doing, you know, uploading your own videos and being you, that's an awesome feeling, you know what I mean? And if I could, like I said, motivate you or motivate somebody, it's an awesome feeling. But thanks again, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Like I said, it means the world to me. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Roger, aka Chancho's out. Peace.